What if the secret to a better life wasn't hiding in a self-help book, but inside an atom? It may sound strange, but the mysterious world of quantum physics might just hold powerful truths about how we live, choose, and connect. Let's take a look. Quantum physics isn't just science. It's a mirror to how life actually works. At its heart, it teaches us to live with uncertainty, to see the power of observation, and to understand that everything is connected. Let's explore. Superposition. In quantum physics, a particle doesn't exist in just one place. It can exist in many states at once, until observed. This is called superposition. Now think about your own life. Until you make a decision, you hold countless possibilities. The artist, the scientist, the parent, the traveler, all those versions of you exist. Right now, you are potential itself. Observer effect. Here's another mind-bender. In the quantum world, just looking at something can change it. This is called the observer effect, and it's true for us too. What you focus on grows. If you pay attention to fear, fear expands. If you focus on love or growth, that's what flourishes. Your attention has power. You are not just watching your life, you're shaping it. Entanglement. Here's the magic. Two quantum particles can be entangled. Change one, and the other responds instantly, no matter how far apart they are. Kind of like us, you might smile at a stranger, or say something cruel. That ripple spreads. We are more connected than we realize. Your actions matter. Your energy travels. Uncertainty principle. 1. More lesson from quantum mechanics. You can't know everything at once. Not perfectly. The more you try to measure a particle's speed, the less you know about where it is. That's Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Now think about your life. Trying to control every detail. It leads to stress, confusion, stagnation. But when you let go, you make space. Space for joy, for flow, for peace. Quantum probability. In the quantum world, there's no fixed outcome. There are only probabilities, possibilities. The future isn't set in stone. Small choices today can shift your entire path tomorrow. You are not trapped in your circumstances. You are a wave of possibility. So, act, even if it's small, because each decision shapes your quantum future. Quantum you. Quantum physics doesn't just change how we see atoms. It changes how we see ourselves. You are a wave of possibility, a creator through observation, a node in the web of connection, and a soul learning to let go. This is more than science. This is quantum you.